Hello friends, it's Trisha from Freedom Hill. I thought I would give you an update on the kitchen. We have made tremendous progress. Not quite ready for a big reveal, but I'm going to show you some of our progress and just how it looks now. This is the pantry, which I did a video on before it was painted. Now it is painted. It is not finished. I need one more coat of paint, and then the finish, which will be a polyacrylic finish, make them shiny. Then we will put the handles on. My Canadian drilled the holes for the handles. As you can see, they're all drilled. He wanted to drill them before I painted. I still have a little tape on the wall from doing the painting, and I'll leave that there until I'm done. We're still dealing with this old table. I still have the sliders on the feet. This table is broken. I don't know if you can tell from this angle, but it slants toward like this direction. It's very broken. Both the legs are broken. He intends to try to fix it so we don't have to replace the table. If he fixes it, I will paint it. But right now, this is what we have. I started putting some decorations back together over there, and you know, we had our floor almost all completed. In this room, we do have some of the molding around the floor is done, so that feels good. Still got organizing bins and things I'm working on here. This plain wall will be my barn wall. I have a collection of beautiful barn pictures and barn decorations, farm decorations, and that will be there. We have granite. Yes, we love our granite countertops. They make such a big difference. We put beadboard on the back of the peninsula. We have supports under there that I need to paint. They're kind of a white, but they're not the same color white. I'll also be painting the stool. I have a couple more stools. I just need to get them out. I found this fantastic farmhouse lamp at the thrift shop. Look at that. Love that. I also found this lampshade to go with it. They did not come together, but I thought they went well together. So yeah. We also put beadboard on the side of the peninsula. We also put beadboard on the side of the pantry to give it a finished look. And we also put beadboard at the top ends of the cupboards. There and there. He put beadboard on these ends as well, so all the cupboards are framed in consistently with the beadboard. I am not finished painting. All the cupboards have had 2 coats of paint. I intend to do a 3rd coat and then the finished coat. The peninsula is all drawers, 9 drawers. And again, he's drilled the holes for the handles, so they're ready as soon as I'm done with all the painting. So that is our finished kitchen. I love the layout. I love the way it looks. The white cabinets are beautiful, and it is coming together. You can see our new faucet is really cool. Love this faucet. Let me show you. There's that. And this comes out to be a sprayer, and it also sprays. Our farmhouse sink fits beautifully in here, and it's an under the cabinet or under the counter sink, and so the installers of the Granite put silicone all along. Yeah, I love it. It's so deep and it holds so many things, and it's just very easy to work with, very easy to clean. So yeah, I started decorating a little bit, but right now we've got a few things out because I've still got that cupboard off. I did not remove the other cupboards for painting. I just went ahead and painted right over the hinges because I found out with this chalk paint, it just flakes off really easily. So when I'm all done with the painting, I'll go back and I'll flake all that off so that the hinges are nice and pretty. I did take that one down and it was a lot of work to get it off. The hinges don't come off. Well, they could, but they're a lot more work. So it's like, there was really no benefit to taking all the cupboard doors off. I thought it would just be easier to clean up the hinges when I'm done because the chalk paint cleans up very easily. So there's a look at the kitchen from this angle. And when I get it finished and all cleaned up, and here's a look at the kitchen from this angle. When I get it all finished and all decorated and all put together, I'll do a before and after. Thank you so much for watching and for your interest in our project. Bye.